Hey guys, this is Vivek Bhavishi, aka that API guy, and this is part 2 of the AI Builder video series. In this video, we'll build a business card reader from scratch. And now, if you have not already seen the part 1, go ahead and click on it. And in that video, I show the demo of all the 3 different features, the business card reader, the object detector, and form processor. So let's get started. Okay, so what we are going to do is we build a business card reader app here using the AI Builder, and we'll connect it to a Sharepoint list and also to the contacts entity in CDS and also the Outlook contact. So we'll try to connect it to all these 3 data sources. So wherever you want to store your contacts, you're free to do that. We'll connect it to all these 3 data sources. So let's just get started here. So the first thing that you want to do is click on Insert AI Builder. And okay, now we have it over here. So let's just reposition it a bit, make it a bit bigger here. And then the next thing that we'll do is we'll connect it to the Sharepoint data source. So let me add the edit form over here. Move a bit below, make it a bit bigger, and then let's click on connect to data and search for Sharepoint, and this is the Sharepoint site, and this is the contacts list that I've created. So I'll connect it there. Okay, so it's connected now, and you see it will automatically populate the fields. The title is basically the first name, last name, job title, and the other fields. So just to give you an idea, I already created a Sharepoint list with all these columns. And now what you can do is we'll create a button here, put down, and say we'll name it submit contact. Okay. Now, what we want to do is we want to change the default values of each of these, because what basically you want to do is read the data that we get from the business card scanner and populate all these input boxes with it. So what I'm going to do is click on this title data card. Now, this is another feature that you might have skipped. Now when you insert form and connect it to a data source, the names of these cards are based on the fields that you add. So it's pretty easy to see which field you want to access. So let's I want to change this. Okay, default. Click on unlock to change properties. I will change the parent default to business card reader 2 for some reason. Dot first name. And just to give you an idea, so what happens is the business card reader 2 is the control that I added, and then all these fields are the ones that you can access. So first name, company name, department, email, full name, job title, everything over here, phone. Yep, so this is going to be my first name. Let's just rename this as well. First name. Now this is going to be the last name. Change it to business computer 2 dot last name. This one is going to be job title, and I mean this is the boring part of the video. I'm gonna populate a bunch of fields. Dot job title, company name. I can unlock. We'll just copy this for now. Dot company name, email. I can unlock. Paste this email. Let's see, what else do we have? Mobile phone, website, and the address. Now, mobile phone is probably not going to be the exact value, because what we get from the card reader is phone 1, phone 2, and phone 3. So I'm just going to believe the phone 1 is going to be the mobile phone, otherwise it might be some other number. You can store all the 3 numbers if you want to, but just for simplicity, we'll just use 1 here. Website, business card reader 2 dot website, and then the address dot full address. Okay, so that's it actually. So it's pretty simple to build this. Now let's try it out. Actually, before we do that, let's say submit contact. Let's change that to submit form, and this is called form 3. I'm not good at naming, at least for demos. All right, so let's try. Okay, one thing that we forgot, we need to change the form's default view to new, or default mode to a new form. Okay. All right, I already taken a picture of one of the business cards of mine, and we will select that picture. It's gonna process it. And there you go, that was pretty quick. First name, last name, job title, company name, email. Now, as I told you, it might have the mobile phone in phone 2, and we'll actually try to change that here quickly. Phone 2. Okay, there you go. And that's the website, and I'll just click on submit contact. And because we didn't do anything with it, there's a success screen, but it should be there now. So let's go to Sharepoint. There you go. First name, last name, everything over here. Okay, the other thing that we want to do over here is try adding this contact to Outlook. So, because you probably want your contacts, I mean, you probably have your Outlook contacts already synced to your phone, so you just want to send it to save it in your Outlook and not go to a SharePoint list. So what we'll do over here is click on action. We'll create a flow to create a contact in Outlook. So create a new flow. It starts with the PowerApps default button. We'll rename it to create a contact in Outlook. Okay, let's search for contact. There is a create contact under Office 365 Outlook. Let's select that. Folder, we just want it to be in the contact, the default folder. Given name, we'll say ask in PowerApps. Home phone, we'll say ask in PowerApps, that's a required field. And then we put email address. Just for simplicity, we'll just try to avoid some of these fields for now. company name, and actually let's try the email address. Scan PowerApps. I think name is just I'm just gonna say default for now, and then mobile phone, scan PowerApps. Let's see what else. City, street, we'll say scan PowerApps, and then might be some more options here. Job title. Okay, we'll do one more and then we'll try it in PowerApps. Okay, this should be kind of good enough to kind of create a contact and see the demo. You can add more fields if you want later on. So we'll hit on save and then go back to our app. And if you see, it kind of populated that flow here. So I'll click on that, create, let's see, please create a contact in Outlook. So use that flow, create a contact in Outlook. Okay. So we need to start putting in names now. And just so that I can easily access this, I'm gonna populate it directly from the business card reader's output instead of from the form. Full name, home phone line. So we put dot phone 1, and then the company name, and company name, email addresses, email, mobile phone. That will be our phone 2, and let's see, the street, address. That's a full address, and then the job title, the last one. Almost there. Okay. So we have created the flow. We have added the fields here. Now what we need to do is just click on submit. I'll click on submit contact. Let's go back here. How we save the flow? I don't remember. Okay, let's go back, and then it said succeeded. Okay, just to see, this is my Outlook. Go to the contacts, and it just created this. This was not there before, and we can try it out again. I'll delete it for now. Go back to the app, click on submit contact. Come on. Yep, it actually created it twice. It was pretty quick. Okay, so that kind of gives you an understanding of how you can add it in SharePoint and how you can add it in Outlook. Now the third one that I'm going to show is probably going to be helpful for people who are using Dynamics CRM or who want to use CDS more. So what we will do is we'll change the form, data source. I'll click on view data sources, add data source, and we'll connect it to common data service. And what I need from there is contacts, connect, okay, because there was already something called contact, it's created as contacts one. So what we'll do next is change the data source for this table, this form, to contacts one. Okay, gives me a bunch of errors now. Alright, let's click on edit fields. Let's do one thing. Let's just remove the form. And let's sort of form again. And we connected data. Oh, we already have the data. Contacts one. Okay. And as you can see, it kind of populated a bunch of fields. We'll change some of them. We need the first name. Just to be a bit quicker here, I'm going to use only a few of these. So first name, job title, email, and probably the yeah, we'll just put the company name in the description. You probably want to access the accounts field, the accounts entity, and then look for an account, and then kind of make your relational kind of connection to the account. But just for simplicity, you cannot just add it to the description, the company name. I'm going to remove a bunch of fields here just so that we can do it quicker. Alright, so we have 4 fields here. Again, I'm going to change these to default values from the business card reader. Yeah, business card reader dot first name, job title. Let's change it to business card reader 2 dot job title. It's already populating because we have a card scanned over here. One thing which I did find, or I couldn't find, is how do you reset the business card, the value stored in it. If you come back on the screen, it automatically refreshes, but if you are on the same screen, refreshing the business card values is something that I haven't yet figured out. If somebody knows about that, please let me know in the comments. Okay, we're gonna put the company name in the description, and submit contact. We'll now, just so that I have this for another tab, I'm just gonna put it in comments. And just add the submit form 4. All right. So I had to add the last name because it's a required field. So we'll now try to submit contact. Submit contact. We'll go to our end. So this is the entity, the contacts entity. It doesn't have any data. We'll click on refresh, and there you go. The full name has come on here. Let's see what it has a lot of values here. Let's just put custom fields, or actually all fields, active contacts. Might have lesser columns to look at. Okay, there you go. So email, job title, website. We didn't fill in all these, so you can see all these have been populated. Okay, so you saw how to connect the contact data to SharePoint, Outlook, and the contacts entity in CDS. What else do you need? I hope this video was useful. If you want to see or if you want to build the object detector or the form processing AI Builder capabilities, click on the links for the video somewhere here, and If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments about, or if you have any questions, let us know in the comments area below. And subscribe to my channel for any new videos that you want to see. And follow me on Twitter at that_API_guy. Thank you for watching.